Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create an ice cream ad animation like this. So let's get started. First, create a new comp. I call this render comp. So the preset I use is 1080 by 1080 and the duration is 10 seconds. Press OK. So first create a new solid layer. Name is to BG. Then apply gradient ramp effect in the solid layer. Change the start color to blue like this. Now change the end color to cyan. By the way, you can use your own brand colors. Now select the pen tool, draw a straight line. Then expand the shape properties and click Add and apply repeater. Expand the repeater properties and change the copy's value to 100. Then expand the transform repeater and change the position values like this. Then change the rotation value to -5. Now apply the turbulent displacement effect. Then hold Alt key and click the evaluation clock icon. Then type the expression time *80. Now create a rounded rectangle. Now apply the turbulent displacement effect. Then hold Alt key and click the evaluation clock icon. Then type the expression time *70. Then import the cornetto PNG and drag into the timeline. Then change the scale value 50 and adjust it. And pre-compose it. I call this media. Now type the text, cornetto. Align it to the center, then change the font. I am using the Gaglin font. And increase the size to 150. Then duplicate the text layer and type the slogan. Change the color. I picked this color from the cornetto image. Then duplicate the layer and type the website text. change the font to Poppins Bold. Now animate the media position, set keyframe around 1 second. Then move back a few frames and change the media position like this. Then select one keyframe and press F9 for easy ease. And edit the graph like this. Then hold Alt key and click the clock icon and paste this expression. You can copy this expression from the first comment. Then animate the website text, just animate the position and opacity values. Then edit the graph like this. Now animate the cornetto text. I am using the Animator Composer for this text animation. By the way, it's free and time-saving. For the Solgon text, I'm using this preset. If you liked the video, so please subscribe to my channel and like the video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.